guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install and use LM Studio on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software, in Google search box, write there LM Studio download, then go on this lmstudio.ai download. Click this. Then this here you can get for Mac, Windows and Linux. So Windows currently using here, this you can select this. That's fine. And this here version. Let's click on this download for Windows. So when you click here, the file is now all downloading. LM Studio and this version exe file is there, and currently this is downloading. So total size 569 MB. So this will take some time to complete this download. Now you can see this LM Studio, that exe file that's downloaded. Let's click on this exe file. So here installation wizard that's come there. Click on I agree. You can select all users of this computer or only. So here selecting second. This is the destination location, and this takes this much size on this disk, and here this is now currently installing LM Studio setup. So this LM Studio that's successfully installed. If you want, then you can run from here. I'm checking, and now let's click on this LM Studio icon. Now you can see LM Studio local AI for your computer. Let's click on this get started. So updating the LLM, and here your first model. Let's download your first AI model to run locally. So here this is recommended Gimo, and this take 3.3 GB. If you want, then you can escape. So this is the first model that's recommended. So that's going to clicking on this download. Now you can see here this is currently downloading, so this will take some time to complete this download. You can see Google Zima 3 4B, this download completed. So this is not required. Let's close this, and here this download completed. Let's click on this load model. So Google Gmail is now currently loading. Thereafter you can do here any question to here ask privately or locally. So if I write there hi, so this is first question, Gmail is selected. So this is now returning. So this is returning. So giving here how to learn data science. So this is the second question, how to learn data science. Okay, fantastic. Learning data science is really and this all that's returning there. Here, if I click this here, you can select, by clicking this you can select the models. Menus are available. You can select according to your requirement. Zima, here, DeepSeek, Mistral for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.